Hello, this is Mrs. Saring. Today, I would like to introduce you to the Penholzel treatment, a burn scar treatment that has provided tremendous scar improvement effects to many patients so far. Many of you must have wondered about it. Hope that through today's treatment process video, you will have a deeper understanding of Mrs. Saring's Penholzel treatment. Before Penholzel treatment, anesthetic ointment will be applied to relieve pain. Patients can discuss future treatment directions while viewing before and after photos. When patients are ready for surgery, the laser used for treatment will be activated. When you receive burn scar treatment at Mrs. Saring, there will be 5 times of Penholzel treatments and 7 times of regenerative laser treatments, so a total of 12 treatments. Penholzel treatment takes about 2 years, 8 months of pinhole treatment and 1 year, 4 months of CO2 fractional laser treatment. It is a process to remove scars and promote skin regeneration. The combination of these 2 treatments is Penholzel treatment. Pinhole laser is a carbon dioxide laser that can drill similar holes at regular intervals according to the depth of the scar layer. Through making holes, the abnormally hard and clumpy collagen, burn scar is softened and the scar is restored to a texture similar to normal skin. During Penholzel laser treatment, the size and spacing of the holes vary according to the progress and severity of the scar. If holes are made mechanically at a fixed time interval and power, the scar treatment effect will not be very effective. Therefore, this process requires accurate judgment and high concentration of experienced doctors. The interval between each treatment is 2 months, but the number and interval of treatment may vary depending on the situation. The next treatment is scheduled for January next year. We will show you how the scar is improved through treatments in the future. Do you have scars that cannot be eliminated for a long time? Don't bear it alone anymore. Mrs. Saring will help you reduce the burden of scars. We hope you can live happily with the improvement of your scar.
화상융터 하나만 미소사랑 원장 서정곤이었습니다. 감사합니다. 화상융터 하나만